everybody, it's me, Captain Creeper, with another video.
I'd take it out after you loot your chest.
Where's my partner? Where is he? I'm actually kind of better than this guy.
Oh no.
Very quiet making these
Huh. Oh yeah, sorry guys.
Yeah, but he's just chasing down some random dude that just is playing PvP with him.
Touch him in the face!
Punch him to death. Actually, I think you should just leave him alone because he has literally nothing to gain.
Helmet.
Oh, helmet, really?
And leggings.
Does he like want to team with you or something?
Probably doesn't.
Team PLZ.
Here, watch him play me. He's running away.
He's running because he wants to. Oh, he might get a weapon. Don't get a weapon. Don't get a weapon. You better not get a weapon in that chest. Better not get a weapon in that chest. Better not get a weapon in that chest. You didn't get a weapon in that chest.
Freaking out of food.
He's getting away.
Rotten flesh!
I don't think you'll be able to chase him down.
He ran away.
Oh,
wait, no,
oh wait.
He's right there.
He's going AFK.
He's probably gonna get. He probably has a weapon.
He went AFK.
No, he doesn't.
Oh.
Oh.
Alright, you need to.
You killed him! Yay! Put on your helmet.
You need to hurry up.
5 points.
Look at that chest. Ooh.